Hi, welcome to Build with CGaaS.ai. I'm Cleara, an AI presenter from Evolza. CGaaS.ai is the most straightforward AI platform for generating cloud-native enterprise software. One of its key benefits is that we don't lock you into the platform. Once the software is generated, everything is in your hands. This is the first ever platform that builds enterprise software using a microservice architecture, complete with all the necessary middleware. This ensures your software is fully secure and scalable. Unlike most other no-code or low-code platforms, we don't generate uneditable runtime code or monolithic structures. Instead, we create your solution using microservice architecture, an API gateway, and top-tier authentication to ensure scalable, efficient, and secure enterprise applications. Now, let's log into CGaaS.ai and explore how it works. Simply sign up and log into the system. On the right side, you'll see options to create workspaces, configure data sources, and manage version control. Let's create a simple project management solution using CGaaS.ai. Under this solution, we will develop three main business features: project management, milestone management, and task management. While the requirements are simple, the application generated by CGaaS.ai is robust, secure, and scalable. The architecture for this application consists of 3 microservices, all connected through an API gateway and secured by Auth0, a world-class authentication service provider. All right, let's start building this solution with CGaaS.ai. First, let's create a workspace. A workspace is your project. Enter a meaningful name. Select the web framework, choose the API gateway, and finally link your Git profile and select a Git organization to securely store your source code. For now, let's use the default settings. Once your workspace is created, it's time to map your functional requirements by creating microservices within your workspace. Microservice architecture makes enterprise applications scalable and easier to manage by breaking them into smaller, specialized services. An API gateway simplifies communication between these services and external systems, while a world-class authentication service ensures secure access and protects sensitive data. Together, they enhance performance, security, and flexibility. You've just entered your CGaaS workspace. Right here, you can see the architecture of your application at a glance. Now, let's dive deeper. Applications in CGaaS are microservices, and as you can see, the user management microservice is already generated. Let's create a new microservice for project management. In this wizard, you can select the database type and the data source for your microservice. All right, our microservice is now created. Let's go inside it. Now, let's create our first data object for project management, the project entity. Watch how CGaaS.ai automatically generates all the essential attributes based on the entity name. It's simple to add new fields or customize the attributes to fit your needs. Let's move on to create our second data object, task, to manage project tasks. CGaaS.ai learns from context. When we refine the name to project milestones, the AI ensures all attributes are generated with precision. All right, we've finished creating all the data objects we need. Now it's time to map all the relationships between these data objects. Let's create the first relationship between projects and project milestones. As we know, one project can have many project milestones. Similarly, we'll create the second relationship. A project milestone can have many project tasks. Make sure to select the primary attribute. Now that we've created all the relationships between the data objects, it's very simple and straightforward. If you click on API configs, you can see all the APIs that are set to be generated. We've now configured all the microservices needed for our simple project management solution. Before generating the solution, let's secure it by configuring the API gateway and the authentication service provider. You can manually configure these settings if you already have your own API gateway or authentication account with the selected service providers. Otherwise, you can simply click the Configure Default Settings button, and CGaaS.ai will handle it for you. All right, we are ready to take off. Now, click the Applications tab and then the Generate All Applications button to start generating all the microservices at once. With our backend successfully generated, it's time to move on to the next step, developing the front end. But don't worry, there's no need for complicated Canvas designs or long hours of Canvas developments. Simply click on the Front End tab and then click Get Started. It's that easy. In the next step, you'll have options to customize your theme, giving your application a unique look and feel. Select a theme that best represents your brand, choose your theme color, and upload your logo. Simple customization in just a few clicks. After selecting your theme, you can customize the UI components for each of your data attributes. Next, enter the first name, last name, and email of your admin user, and you're ready to go. For this demo, we'll keep the default settings. Finally, just click the Generate Frontend button, and CGaaS will start building your custom front end, effortlessly and automatically. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functioning, beautifully designed front end ready to go. At the same time, all your backend and front-end code is securely stashed in your previously provided source repository. Both the backend and front end are now fully generated, stashed, and ready for you to customize. Your project is ready for any additional customizations you want to make, whether backend integrations or front-end UI tweaks, all while remaining secure and versioned in your repository. Soon after your application is generated, you will receive a password change request to the admin email you provided for this project. Simply click the link and update your password. Once your password is updated, you're ready to access your new application. Now, let's log into the generated application. Use your updated credentials to sign in. Just like we envisioned, the generated solution includes features to create and manage projects, project milestones, and tasks. Let's create a new project. After entering the details, your project is created. Now, let's add milestone for this project. It's as simple as filling out the milestone name and due date. Finally, we'll add a task under one of these milestones. With just a few clicks, your project is taking shape. And there, you have it. A fully functional, secure, and scalable project management solution created in minutes with CGaaS.ai. From backend to frontend, every component is automatically generated, deployed, and stored securely in your repository. No coding, no lengthy processes, just powerful and straightforward, no-nonsense enterprise software at your fingertips. Ready to experience the future of enterprise software development? Build with CGaaS.ai today.